Okay, I've got it partially assembled, and I'm just going to give it a test. You can see here, it's nice and clean inside here, and that's just the piston going down with the new rings to compress the coffee, but there's no coffee loaded in. I'm just testing it, like I said. And there you go, it's ready to make a coffee. So that's a successful repair. And here you can see a press for a cappuccino, but I've not got any coffee beans in there at the moment because I'm still testing it. We're just trying to make a cappuccino. So I'd say that was a successful repair. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.